Okay, Kushi. So there is any error, Kushi? Yeah, I just check it, but just I don't get the time to run it. So can you just show me in your system how you are running, Kushi? Okay, welcome message. Okay, okay. 1 second. Just please be online. Log out.php. Log out PHP. Is there any error, Kushi? Hello. Okay, but there is no error message. There is no error message. Okay, let's see. Here is the just saving these all. Show dot php. Okay, now our third page, or you can see the first page demo. This demo.php. Okay, we have 3 pages. Now let's try to run these pages. Database, just run demo.php. Use the capital first letter. Now, but we use the username and password. Khushi. Yeah, yeah, Khushi. We just use Khushi and the Khushi username and the password. So we have to write if you want to just log in Khushi and Khushi. Okay. Now I'm just trying to log in. Why this web page has a redirected loop? Redirected loop. Okay, I understand. Means it is just redirecting from one page to another page, and after means it is within the infinity redirecting loop, you can say. 1 second, let me show you what we have done in coding. This is our first page or not, Kushi? This is our first page. Okay, this is our first page. Hello. Now in this page there is username and password, and there's one submit button with the post method. Yeah, okay, you have to use spaces, just don't forget about the spaces. Okay, rest of all is good. You can use space from after this also. Okay, now whenever you submit, yeah, we just check is the form is submitted or not. Yeah, and we get the values, we just check the validation. Okay, it is good so far. Within the else, our we will check the logic, is our username and password is correct or not. We start the session, we just put okay, you have to use okay just show.php. Till now it is almost correct. Okay, Rakhi. Now We just move to show.php. What is in the show.php? We directly just checking dollar underscore session login is not equals to yes. Then we have to write here. What we have to write, Khushi? Demo.php, our first page. You just write show.php, means it is redirecting us to the same page. So we will get the we are redirecting the same page every time. So it is one kind of the infinity loop of redirecting loop, you can say. That's why we are getting this web page has a redirected loop. Redirected loop means there is no end of this redirection. So we have to use demo.php. Okay, Kushi? Demo.php. Why we demo.php? Because demo.php is our first page, or you can say the login page. Okay, Kushi? You got the okay. Now you use dollar underscore session in capital here, but you use dollar underscore session in small here. That's why our login variable is not defined of session variable. Login session variable is not defined, is not equals to yes, means this condition is true. This condition is true, so we will get even. We write correct username and the password, even we get back to our this demo.php, means login. Let me show you now. Back to the demo.php, just refresh the code, just write the username and the password, correct username and the password. Okay, now I just clicked on login. It will redirecting us back to the first page. Why? Because we didn't use the, means this session variable is not created. It is not created because of the this is small. We use the small characters. We have to use the capital dollar underscore session. Okay, equals to login, and the same is in our first case dollar underscore session pass and the login. Now in our show.php, what we checked, dollar underscore session is not equals to yes. If we are not logged in, then we have to just redirect it, every user to back to our login page. Yeah, this is the correct logic, and you have to use the space. Okay, now let's see. I just did nothing. I just converted small case character into uppercase. Okay, Kushi, let's see the difference. One second. Kushi and Kushi. It should be detailed. Save it. Yes, save this one also. Oh, I have to. Yeah, I refreshed also our demo page. One second. It should be to our show.php. It is redirecting back. Why? It's not equals to yes. Login. Yeah, it is correct. Underscore session. Underscore session. And location if not equals to yes. What we give here, login, yes, same variable, nothing else. Session. Session start. We just start with the session here also. Is we start a session here or not here? Session will start. Goals almost 99% correct. There is one silly mistake. 1 second, Khushi. Please be online. It is correct. Session. Session is to start. Yeah, it is correct. Khushi and the password is equals to Khushi. Then just use the session. The location is show.php. Oh, yes, this is the show.php. All things except this the session. Let me run again. Demo. We are running demo. If we write wrong username password, then it will give us an error. Not giving any error also. It is giving any error. Use. 1 second, please be online. Else. Is equals to blank. It is also correct. It is set or post. It is also correct. Everything is just like correct. But it is not working. Is set or post login. Is the name of our button login or not? Yeah, it is login. Name. Show action. Can't use action. Okay, this is the mistake. Kushi, we are just checking all the conditions into our same page, so we have to just submit our page itself. Means we have to catch all the value in the same page, so we have to use blank action. Okay, you get the point, Kushi? Now let's see the result. If we didn't use anything, 1 second, I just did press this. That's why. Here is the error. It should be error. Even not. No, why it is not working? Form tag, user input login, form tag and everything is correct. Now it is correct. So PHP, yeah, show PHP also demo should work now. Username and p1, username and pwd. You have to use name pwd here in place of p1. What is this? This is the name of our tag. It will convert to a variable, post type variable. So we have to catch that variable whenever our form is submitted. So that will be same as our tag name. Obviously wrong username. Even this is not giving any error. She and password also not giving any error. 1 second. Password equals to blank. Username, your username, uname. If if uname, you have to use uname here. Okay, Khushi. And if condition otherwise else, within the else uname and pwd, it is correct, but it should be logged in from here. Why it is now logged in? Show.php header location correct. This else is if else. Why this is our first if. Okay, okay, we get the three errors. Even I don't think so it will run because there is one more error anyway. If I use the wrong username and password, not showing any message. If I use, again not showing any message. Maybe you didn't echo the message. That's why it is not showing any message. Okay, you just didn't echo any message. Means what is echo? PHP tag start and just echo a simple our error variable. Echo our error variable. We already see that $ERR. Okay, Kushi. So we will get our username and pwd. Okay. We will get the messages of which messages blank and the wrong username and password. You should get the blank. Why it is not taking? Just echo message $ERR. Yeah, there is $ERR. Echo post. 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 Oh, there is no underscore. You see, there is no underscore in the first post. Okay. Now let's see again. Yeah, your logic is clear, but there is some. Even now, it is not running. Now, what? Sorry. Yeah, password and yeah, it is same. Uname. Yeah, yeah, there is uname. PWD. Yeah, there is PWD. Username. Yeah, there is the. Okay, it is correct. Underscore session also correct. Session start also correct. Why it is not giving errors? It should give error. If there is wrong code, it should give error. Let me. Yeah, the error is coming. Hello, 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 Kushi, hello, hello, Kushi, are you there? Hello, hello, Kushi, hello, hello. Yeah. Connectivity problem with my mobile. 1 second. Yeah. Now, can you hear me properly, Chi? Hello, Khushi. Hello. Hello, Khushi. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Let's continue. Okay. Now where we are searching the error and operator. We should use the space. When this space is correct, W is equals to Khushi. Then only location show.php. In the error, if else header location show.php. Now it looks like the correct code, but there is no correct logic. Why? 1 second, Kushi. Maybe there is one another and small mistake, nothing else. Not redirecting again. Okay, let me just remove this line from our show.php. Form. Okay, only if condition. Just remove this. It's temporary, nothing permanent. Refreshed. Correct username and the password. Not redirecting. It's not redirecting to our show.php. Maybe I used the wrong spelling now. Show spelling is also correct. PHP. We are using this database and the database. There is no error also. Password is 0. Welcome and the password. Why it is not redirecting? If there would be any if condition, we get the error message. We just initialize our error message. Else Khushi is not equals to Khushi, then session redirecting. Let's remove this session. Just remove this session. Let's see this. Yeah. Just refreshed. Khushi and Khushi. Just not redirecting. This is not redirecting. Means there is no error in our session part. Okay. Khushi equals to Khushi. PWD. Yeah, we have PWD in the this also we have PWD name and username. The message action and the method maybe not because of that. Now not because of that. It is not coming, maybe it is not coming within our $_post. Is set $_post login. I'm just removing this. Maybe it is not coming on this. That's why just echoing something. Check. Check. Enter username. Just click on this. No, we are not going to. In the if condition means it is not. Why it is not correct? If is set. Sorry. If is set. Set button for post login. Yeah, we have the login input. We have the end of form tag also. This is the start of our form tag. Post, submit, login, name. Because of this, okay. Let's see again. Now printing it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I'll just check all the things. Method equals to post, equals to blank. I will tell you where is the error. Yeah, okay. Okay, I will tell you where is the error in our next session. Okay, now just concentrate on our today's session. What we are going to discuss in today's session. In the Saturday session, we discuss about the database connectivity. Okay, Kushi. But we discuss about the database connectivity, nothing else. How we connect the data. This is the simple connection string. Okay, and this is the selection of our DB. How we execute our query? We just see how we execute our queries means just select star from TBL1. This is the tile symbol. Within the tile symbol, we use TBL1, our table name. Where is our table name? One second, let me show you. Yeah, in the study database, there is a table TBL1. Okay, Kushi? Okay, is there any confusion? Okay, you are not able to just create the table. Okay, uh, can you show me, Kushi? Okay, just accept this request. Okay, now I can see your screen. RAM mail debug continuous application. Just okay. 1 second. Don't just click on this. Uh, only mouse over. Only mouse over this WAM W. No, not there. On this small W on the left hand and right hand side, bottom of your, yeah. All services is running. Okay. Go to any browser. Go to any browser. Browser. Just go to browser. Okay. Okay. You can click on the run also. Go to yeah. Now, yeah, one more tag. Yeah, from okay. Okay, go to, you have the Chrome also. Click on the Chrome. Yeah, close it. This message pop up. Okay. Now just write the local host within the URL. Control A. Just press yeah. Write the localhost. Localhost directly. Oh, not now. You have to press the Control A. Then only you can remove this string. Not Control S. Control A. Yeah. Now write localhost. Right. That press L key L. Okay. Localhost. Just enter. Just press enter. Yeah, your server is running. Now just go to phpMyAdmin. There is a tab your alias in the bottom. In the bottom there is a phpMyAdmin. In the bottom, yeah. Root and go. Okay. Now there is your yeah, task one. Okay. Okay, you have a task one named database. In your database name is task one. You have the table within this database. Let's close it. Kushi. Just click on the structure tab. There is structure tab. There is a tab browse structure. Yeah, just click. You just use only one column to your table. Okay, let's create one other table. Okay, let's create one another table. Just click on the new on your left hand side options. After the task your database, there is an option of new. Where is your database name? On the left hand side. Yeah, just click on new. Just okay, just click on new. She is the table. We are creating a new table, one another table. If you click on this new, then you will get one screen. From that screen you can create the table. Okay, now just give the table name as username. Yeah, yeah. Okay, you can add from this also. Just go to structure. Back, go to the structure tab. Okay. Go to structure tab. Kushi, hello, can you hear me? Hello. Go to structure tab. Hello. 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 Yeah, Kushi. Go to structure tab. Again, if you want to add more columns into your table, because you have only one column into your table, if you want to just close it. I don't know what is this. Just rectify this. Okay, close it. If you want to add more columns, how many columns do you want to add into your table? How many columns do you want to add? How many columns do you want to add? 3 columns. Okay. There is a option add. Within the add there is a 1. Just write in place of 1, just write 2. Yeah, you can, yeah, from above. Yeah, 2. After column name Peter, but you have to change the column name. Okay, okay. Just click on the go. Click on go. We will change the column name also. Let's assume first one is our ID, second one is our username, and third one is our password. So you have to give username. Just give the name of our column username. Right here, username. One second, username. Okay. Now, within the type, you have to select the varchar type. Okay, just set the length. You can set the maximum length to 55. Just 250. Yeah, 250. Something 250. Okay. Now go to our second column. Write the name password. Password. Yep. Select same varchar in place of integer. Select varchar. Okay. Just select it. Now you, yeah, again 250. Now click on save. Save button. There is a save button. No, no, no. We are going to do this into our ID column. We will change the first column name from Peter to ID. You give the first column name Peter, but we have to, if you want to add the data, first we have to create the column names or table structure, then we will get add the data. Just click on the browse. Just click on the browse button. Now you had 3 columns. First column name is Peter, second username, third is password. So we have to change Peter into ID. Okay. Okay, Kushi. So just go back to your structure tab. Go back to structure tab. Now you have the 3 columns. Go to first column. Within the first column there is an option change. See, just row wise there is an option change. Okay, one second. Okay, there is an option in the first column. Hello, can you hear me? Kushi, Kushi, can you hear me? Here is one second. Session try menu. Close every. Okay. Next time it will come. Then just close the application option. Hello, can you hear me properly now? Kushi, Kushi. very low. Now, now, hello. Now it is coming, Kushi. Okay. Now just go to there is a first row name equals to Peter, but we didn't enter the data into our column structure, our table structure. This is our table structure. Okay. Within the table structure, there would be a column name. Column name means ID, username, and the password. So first one is Peter. We don't need Peter. We need ID. Okay. Peter is kind of data. So in the Peter there is an option in change option in this row. In this row there is an option change. No, not there. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, there. Just click on yes, correct. It is correct. Okay. Now just change it to ID. ID. Just write ID. Now ID should be integer. So just change varchar into integer. Here. Type type just use integer. Yeah, in the start you can see it will be there in the start top of your list there will be integer. Yeah, okay. Now we need our id column primary and auto incremented. Primary, why primary? Because we don't need duplicate entry into id column. And auto increment, why? If we didn't set any value into id column, it will be auto incremented. So just click on ai in this row. In this row, id, name, type, length, value, default, there is ai. Just check that. Okay, just just scroll this cursor, bottom cursor. There is also option that is hidden. No, not click on save. There bottom there is bar. Yeah, uh, more. Okay, it is. Yeah, that's it. Now not null, privileged. We should. I just want to save the. Okay, click on save. Actually, just click on save. Fishy. Incorrect integer value for column ID one row. 1 second. Incorrect integer value for column ID. Null adjust privileged. Just uncheck this the null adjust privilege. Just uncheck null adjust privilege. There is an option. Okay. Length value default. Just click again. Save. No. Column ID at row 1. Incorrect integer value. What kind of correction? Just go to starting first column. Yeah, click on this. ID. Yeah, it should be integer. Where this you just select it collection. Go to collection. Go to collection. Khushi. You just select anything. Just go to the start. Go to the start. The top of the this list. Not from there. 1 second. One second. Click on the collection. From this bar, there is a right hand side of your bar in this drop down. Yeah. click, go to the start. Is there any, did you choose anything while you are creating this table? Did you choose anything? You didn't choose anything. Just, yeah, click there. Okay. Now try to save it. Try to save it. Just close it. Edit. Alter table Khushi. Change Peter. Peter B. Bold text column Peter using key specification without any key length. What is the key length? Yeah, there is enter is text. Hmm, Default is nothing. Just click click anywhere. Okay. Again, just show me another options. Just click on the bar, bottom bar. Okay. Just remove this auto increment. Remove this auto increment. We have set it. Maybe because of this. Try to save. No. Block text txt. Using key. Alter table change Peter. Change Peter. We have changed to ID now. Yeah, maybe there is any option. I'm not getting which option we get, because we get the error because of which option. No, not from there. If you want to create new table, you can right click on the new, or just click on the new. Yeah, yeah, just go to operations. Not from there. You can't delete from there. Go to operations. Drop the table. There is the option. Where is the option? Oh, um, just go to down from this left bar. Scroll down. More. Yeah, delete the table. There is an option on your right hand side. Yeah, click on that. Okay. Yeah, we have now deleted our table. Now, if we want to create new table, we can create from here. Just give any name of our table. You can give user. Okay. You can. Okay. We have. Okay, three columns. We need. If we need three columns, just change it to three. Yeah. Now click on go. Just click on go. Yeah. Now ID. Yep. Integer type, length, give the length, ID, password. Okay, ID, username, password. Okay, okay, you can, yeah, username and the password. Okay, integer. Second one should be varchar, and the third one should be also varchar. Now give the length, integer type. Sorry. Yeah, it means Yeah, we know the id will be an integer type. Means whenever we write the phone number, if we just take any column of phone number, then also we will take integer type. Type equals to integer, because we know phone number is always integer type. Okay, just keep the length 10, 10 to 50 and to 50, because of two, no, not because of 10 to 50 to 50. Now in the id row there is a, yeah, index. In within the index, just select primary. There is an index, yeah. Now check on auto increment. No, sorry, just click on go. No, 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 not just set any size. Click on go. Yeah, go. Now, no, no, no. Only our first column. Primary means we don't need duplicate entries. We generally use for numerical values or integer values in the our database. Okay, just click on AI also auto increment. Just check that checkbox. Yeah, just click on save. Now go to insert tab. Go to insert tab. There is a tab SQL search, then it's insert. Yeah. From here you can insert the value. If you didn't, just ID equal ID 1, not there. In the value section. This is the function section. No, no. This is the function section. For first value or second value, there is a value section. Yeah. Just give the ID 1. You can give any ID. Just let one ID start from 1. 1. Okay. Username, give any username. Any username. Okay. For that username, just give the password. Okay. Now, for the second, you can give the ID also, not function, yeah, value section. Means the SQL just giving us, yeah, two, giving us a insertion for two records. Give any username and password. Yeah, yeah, you can give same password. 1 2 3 4. Just click on go, bottom one. No, not, yeah, no, not that go, no, sorry. Okay, okay. Do insert it. Sorry. Now insert it. No issue. Just click on the browse. Yeah, our row has been inserted. Click on browse. Okay. Now we have two row of data, two type of data. First data is for Mike, second data is for Sam. You can insert more by same way. You can also select. Okay. Once again, close the application. Click on the close. Oh, okay, doesn't matter. Um, and also we will see in our future session how to insert data from the query. There is a query for selecting data. Select star from TBL1. Select star from Khushi. If you just go to SQL, go to SQL tab. Go to SQL tab. No, not there. Not there. There is a SQL tab after structure. Yeah. Whatever with the query in MySQL, you will write here. Okay. Just remove where equals to 1. Remove the where equals to 1 only. There is a there is a select star from Khushi where equals to 1. Just remove where is equals to 1. Okay. Just add semicolon, semicolon. Okay. Just click on go. There is a bottom right hand side bottom. There is go. Now means you execute a query. Which query select star from Khushi? Means you are selecting all the data. So you will get all the data, all the rows. Okay. So this is our SQL query for selection. Okay. If you want to select only username, we already learned how we select only username. Just go again SQL, go to again SQL tab. Now remove where equals to 1. Yeah, remove this and remove star also. No, don't you? No, no, no. Just remove star for all columns. Now in place of all columns, we need only username. So remove star, select star. There is a star asterisk symbol. Yeah, and within the tile, within the tile, within tile means just show you a special character tile symbol before the one key. Before there is a key, numerical key in your. No, not this one. Try again. There is a numerical key one. Before that key, there is a also one button. That is the tile symbol button. Just below escape button. Yeah. One more time. One more time. Yeah. Within this tile symbol, you have to write your column name. Within this tile symbol. No, no, within this tile symbol. The same is within the single quote. Yeah. Your column name, username. Okay. Username maybe spelling. Yeah. Now just click on go. Your query will fire and it will show the result. Only username. Mike and Sam. You will get only username. Okay. Do you understand? Sorry? You get the username. Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, yeah, if you want to just retrieve the data or we just want to execute the query, you have to go to SQL. Now, this is the for insertion, this is for browse button and the SQL for retrieving data. Now, just change the requirement. Go to browse again. Now, let's just change the requirement. I just want first row, only the first row. Means id equals to 1, all the columns, but first row. Id equals to 1, Mike and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How we get that first row? Let's see. Go to SQL. Go back to SQL. Yep. Just remove one only, not where. No, no, not star also, not asterisk symbol. Just okay with shift plus 8 numerical key. No, not this shift. Press hold the shift button. Yeah. Now remove one. Now just where id equals to 1. Id equals to 1 means, yeah, we will select a particular data id wise. What is our requirement? Our requirement is I want to select first row with all columns. Now id equals to 1. id equals to 1 means id should be within the, yeah, I equals to 1. Within the SQL, we just write only 1 equals to, but within the PHP, we write double equals to. If we are comparing, we have to write double equals to or not. We compared is username equals to Khushi or not. We write double equals to, but in the SQL, we only write a single equals to. Okay, Khushi. Now, but you have to write ID within the tile symbol. A same symbol, tile symbol, the ID. Yeah, within the tile symbol, you have to write the same symbol the before the yeah. Now, just click on go. This is our where clause. Means it will just display a particular record. You will get only one record. Did you notice that? So this is our only one record. ID equals to 1, username Mike, and the password 1234. Okay, Khushi. Uh, Let me just show you how we insert data. Okay, into database. Not from the insert table, insert tab. We can insert our data by SQL query also. Okay, let me show you how we insert. I'm just taking control back. Okay, Kushi. Now I just take the control back. Mm, there is a, okay. Localhost PHP my admin. Okay. Quite slow. Okay. It's redirecting. Our study. This is the name of our database, and these are two table within our database. Okay, Kushi. I'm just going to TBL2. We have two records in our TBL2. ID, email, and the password. Okay, Kushi. Now I want to enter third record, but not from insert, because if we are inserting data from our PHP application, my requirement is I want to insert data into my database from our website. From our website means there is a registration page. You can use you can say, you can take the real time example. There is a registration page or not in our Facebook. So whenever we registered, there our total information, our username, password, email ID, everything will be saved to Facebook database, database of the Facebook company. Okay, same as if we want to just create a registration page, so we have to save the entries from from our website to our database, MySQL database. So we have to know about the queries, insertion queries. Same same as we just retrieve the data by using this select query. How we execute our select query, Kushi? Just using MySQL underscore query. This is one predefined function. I have to pass our query within this function as an argument. Now, it is in the MySQL, it is only one single process, but in the PHP, from PHP, if we want to just retrieve all the data, we should use after MySQL underscore query, if we are fetching MySQL underscore fetch underscore array, means we are retrieving the data. Okay, Kushi? These two are the function, inbuilt function. Okay, we will discuss these two functions more in our next session. Let's see how we insert data using queries. Queries means this SQL statement. This is the SQL statement or not? Select star from TBL1. Kushi? Yeah. Now let's see what is the insert. Insert into the tile symbol TBL2. Okay. Within the TBL2, the column name within the brackets, within the tile symbol, comma separated, our column name. We have three columns. ID. If we didn't give any value to ID, it will be auto incremented. So we have to give only two columns: email and the password. These are the column name, password. Okay. This means in both column we want to, sorry, I didn't get you, Kushi. Insert, okay, sorry, okay, this is our table. We have two rows, email and the password. Okay, now this is our first column. Email first column means we just left the ID column. Why? ID is the auto incremented, so if we didn't set any value, it will be incremented 1, 2 and the 3. Okay, email ID and the password. We will give the value of email ID and the password. The syntax is insert into. These are the predefined keyword. Insert into. This is our TBL2. TBL2 means our table name, and these are the column name within the small brackets, within the tile symbol and comma separated. Okay. Now value. Values, we should use values. Now just set the values. If there is a numerical value, then set without the single quotes, otherwise within the single quotes. If it is the string, email would be the string value. Okay, so give the any new email. gmail.com. I just set a email ID. We have to use comma, cause column is comma separated, means for email I just insert this value and comma. Now second is password. Password can be, maybe we just check the integer type. Okay, maybe we set the integer type. I just use 122. Let me show you. Unknown column pass. Yeah, there is a spelling mistake. PASS. Okay, you got the error. Okay, insert it. It is show what is the message. One row inserted. Let me show you. There is a one row inserted or not. Just click on the browse again. It will refresh. Yeah, there is a one another row. Third ID number 3 and the column. How we insert? With this query. Insert into TBL2. Yeah, from our query. We didn't insert from this tab. We just use the query. Insert into, for insertion, TBL name. We just mention the column names if we didn't use the password column. Let's see. We are not using password column and we are changing our Gmail also. Okay, our mail ID. Let's say test@gmail.com. Okay, if we insert now, let's see the result. Our row is inserted. What message we get? Our one row is inserted. Let's see, is inserted or not? Yeah, it is inserted. within the email there is test at the gmail.com. Row ID is auto incremented, so it will auto increment it to 4. But password is blank. Why? Because we didn't use the password column here and no value for that password column. That's why it is blank. If we use, let me show you password, password, and we didn't use the value for that, it will give you error. Column count doesn't match value count at one row means we gave the two columns but we didn't give two values. We gave only one value. So this is, you can say, warning or error. You get the point, Kushi? If you give here two columns, you have to give two values with comma separated. Yeah, I use comma. Yeah, I'm just giving the test one. Password 333. One row inserted, we get the message. Let's see. Yeah, it is inserted. So this is our insert statement. Okay, Kushi. So try to insert using this. Sorry, try to insert using this our query. Yeah, our query. The whole query is try to use this query within your table. Okay. So we should stop today's session here. Okay, I will just tell you about this again in our next session. What is the MySQL underscore connect for connecting, for selecting DB, for firing query, or for fetching data. This four thing. Just keep in your mind. I will describe again all the things. Just try to Kushi, if you get the time, just try to implement this thing into your with your database. Okay, this thing will be the same. The first line means SQL connection, it is the same. Second one, you have to give your database name. Okay, third, query, if you want to query, then select star from your table name, whatever be your table name. Okay, now this will be the also the same, and while loop also same. Just try to change id, then username, and then password also, or try to just write all the three things. Means id, after id, if you want to need the space, just echo space. Okay, Kushi. And after space, just echo again dollar data password or username. Echo dollar data like this, username. Did you get the point, Kushi? Just try to implement this in your data with your database, and if you get any error, just ask me. We will just discuss about the error also. Okay, just tell me, or you can send me the error. If you getting any error, you can send me mail what error you are getting. But in this example we are not getting any error, that's why it is time consuming, this taking some time. We will discuss about this error also, why we are not redirecting to next page, or why we are not getting the message, error message, or anything else. Okay, Kushi. So for today, that's it. We will meet in our next session tomorrow, the same time. Okay. Okay. Bye bye, Kushi. Have a nice day.